Hello everyone, today we will learn about teachable machine. So yes, we will go for the Google and search teachable machine. Here it is. Then click for teachable machine. Get started. And if you go there in teachable machine, you will see like image project, audio project, and the pose project. So today we will do very basic of image project. Let's click on that. Yeah, standard image model. Yeah, you can see that there is the webcam options and there is a class 1, class 2. So today I will upload the picture for only that. I will not use the webcam. You can add as much as you want the classes, but today I will use only 2 class. Yep. So I will upload the picture, and this is for the dog. This is for the cat. Yeah, I will upload the picture for the dog now from my folder. Yeah, here it is. I already saved the dog picture in my folder, so you guys can also download from Google. I use Google for the images. So same as for the cat. Copy and there, uploaded. Yeah. So here it is. Everything is good. Now we will train the model. Yeah. So it's trained. So there is a webcam also for the preview, but I will use the images instead of the webcam because my webcam is not so good. So I will jump for the Chrome and I will search the another cat picture and I will download that. Yeah, there is the Chrome and cat picture. There is a lot of cat picture. Here it is. Download one. Yeah, let's download that one. So I will upload the cat picture here. Then let's see. Then what the machine thinks. We will see that. So it's 100% cat. But the funny thing is that the cat picture is already on my cat list, so I have to delete that. And let's see. Okay, it's also now showing that it's 100% cat. So you guys can do like that, or you can upload the dog picture as well or something else. Then it will detect how it is. It's working like that. So everyone, thank you for watching the video. It's a very basic things of machine learning. Thank you so much.